Hello dear students, I hope you and your family members all are okay, and I also wish that the previous videos whatever I taught you understood all that topics. Now I'm going to continue the chapter. The next topic is voids. What are voids? Okay? What do you mean by voids? See beta, we all know very well that in solids the intermolecular space is very less. The particles are very closely connected with each other. Okay? So in between these particles there is an intermolecular space is present. There is an intermolecular space is present. This space is known as void. This space is known as void. It has so many names. It is also called intermolecular space. It is also called void. Moreover, it is known as holes and interstitial space. So, okay, the empty space which is present in between these particles. जो इंटरमोलिकुलर पार्टिकल्स होते हैं उनके बीच का जो स्पेस होता है that is known as voids. Actually जो voids होते हैं बेटा these are of three types. These are categorized into three categories: octahedral void, tetrahedral void, and the third one is the last one is triangular void, which is not in the part of your syllabus. I just tell you a name that there are three types of voids and octahedral, tetrahedral and triangular. ठीक है? Triangular is not in your syllabus. Now we will understand about octahedral and tetrahedral voids. What are octahedral voids? Octa means 8. Octa means 8. In this void, it is surrounded by 6 spheres. See beta in this figure. ठीक है? This is an octahedral void. This is an octahedral void. O represent octahedral. O represent octahedral. While T represent tetrahedral. ठीक है? So firstly, see beta, this one. अगर हम इसकी बात करें, this O, this one, this is an octahedral void. ठीक है? It is surrounded by or it is connected by 6 spheres. How many? 6. See these dark red circles. 1, 2, 3. ठीक है? And these 3 small light circles. 1, 2, 3. There are total 6 circles and they are oppositively connected. See, दो अगर इस तरीके से हैं तो जो नेक्स्ट वन है आपके उसमें 1 will be at up position and 2 will be at the bottom position. ठीक है? See, dark, if for this dark red, these are 2 up and 2 down and 1 up, but for light there are 2 up and 1 down. So these are surrounded by total number of 6 spheres with 2 triangular voids. पहला ट्राइंगल हो गया आपका ये वाला, this one, this triangle. So our next topic is defects. Crystal defects. We all know very well that defects means imperfection. Defect means imperfection. Imperfection, कोई भी चीज अगर perfect ना हो, that means any irregularity, any impurity or any other missed thing is over there. So these defects are also known as imperfections. ठीक है. These are the irregularities which are generated due to the arrangement of constituent particles in any crystal. What I said, I repeat. These are the imperfections or irregularities arises due to the misarrangement or irregular arrangement of constituent particles. Either that is the constituent particles is atom, either that is ion or that molecule or solid, whatever that is, but this depend on that. These defects are classified into two categories, that are line defect and point defect. The first one is line and the second one is point defect. So we will discuss about only point defect because line defect is not in your syllabus. We just here over take a small intro of that particular line defect. See beta, suppose there is a crystal arranged in line. ठीक है? There is a crystal in which particles are arranged like this. Suppose in any case, ठीक है, this one is disturbed, तो ठीक है, so एक पार्टिकल अगर डिस्टर्ब होगा तो that will ruin the whole line. For example, इसको आप ऐसे समझो बेटा, suppose in the assembly time we ask you to gather in the ground for assembly and we ask you to make a line. If any one student disturb the line in between or either from the first candidate or in the middle or in the last, the whole line will get disturbed just due to the particular person. So in line defect, the irregularity, ठीक है, it will due to the rows of all lattice point, ठीक है, not only for a single particle, it is due to the entire particle, पूरी line defective हो. While in point defect, ठीक है, while in point defect, the irregularity arise on particular point of any atom or from an particular point, सब जगह से नहीं होगा. For example, हमने एक क्रिस्टल लिया है, we have taken a crystal, ठीक है, in this crystal there are, this is the crystal of, suppose this is the crystal of silver chloride, AgCl, ठीक है, this is the crystal of silver chloride, that is AgCl. If the particle present over here is disturbed, if the particle present over here is disturbed, so the arrangement only around this particle will get disturbed. If the particle is present here, this will not disturb by this particle. यहाँ ये particle corner के particle को disturb नहीं करेगा because it is present in the center. It will disturb only the particles attached with this particle or near around this. It will not disturb the whole lattice. So that is known as point defect. Point defect is classified into three groups. How many groups? Three groups. ठीक है? These three groups are stoichiometric defect. Point defect is classified into three: stoichiometric defect, impurity defect, and non-stoichiometric defect. First of all, we will discuss about stoichiometric defect. ठीक है? What do you mean by stoichiometry. First of all, we have to study what is stoichiometry. Stoichiometry means the composition. Stoichiometric means the composition, किस चीज से वो बन रहा है, the composition of substance. ठीक है. In stoichiometric defect, the stoichiometry of solid is not disturbed. Mean, if in any point defect the stoichiometry is not disturbed by any point or any constituent particle, that is known as stoichiometric defect. This is also known as intrinsic or thermodynamic defect. Basically, it is of two types: vacancy defect and interstitial. I repeat it again that vacancy stoichiometric defect is of two types. Number one, vacancy defect, and number two, stoichiometric defect. These are the names given according to the non-ionic solids. I mentioned here vacancy and interstitial defects are shown by non-ionic solids. In ionic solid, they are termed as another name. We will discuss it later. Now, first of all, we will discuss about vacancy defect. What are vacancy defect? When some of the lattice sites are vacant, means vacancy means what? An empty space. Vacancy means what? An empty space. ठीक है. So, तो जब किसी lattice site vacant होती है, there will be a empty space over there. It results in the vacancy defect. अब कोई particle अगर फिर place से जाएगा, suppose if a particle moves from any substance, then there will be a reduction of mass over there. What will be there? Mass will get reduced, and mass is directly proportional to density. We all know very well that mass is directly proportional to density. Hence, here it results in the decrement of the density. But it arises only when the substance is heated. It arises only when the substance is heated. Second one is interstitial defect. Interstitial defect means a place in between the particles, that is also known as voids. So when we heat the crystal and the constituent particles get inserted into the interstitial site. What I said, the constituent particle get inserted into interstitial site. It is known as interstitial defect. These vacancy and interstitial defects are only shown by non-ionic solid. They are not shown by ionic solid, because in ionic solid we have to maintain the electrical neutrality. See in this figure what I explained. This is, first one is vacancy defect and this one is interstitial defect. Okay, what happened over here? An empty space. क्यों? Delocalization हुआ यहाँ से particle का. A particular particle delocalized from over here. So जब ये यहाँ से एक particular particle moves out from over here, a space present between over here. This is an empty space. And this space, ठीक है, result in the decrement of density. यहाँ पे density क्या हो जाएगी? It result in the decrement of density. While what happened in interstitial? No particle moved from anywhere, but a particular particle come here and set up in interstitial site. Distortion हो गया planes का, which result in the increment of density. These are known as vacancies and interstitial defects. In ionic solids, these defects are known as Schottky and Frankel defect respectively. Vacancy defect is known as Schottky defect and the other defect is Frankel defect. ठीक है? Now what is Schottky defect? Schottky defect arises when any cation and anion, when cation and anion are missing from lattice. If one cation is missing, then one anion will be out. If two cation is missing, then two anion will be out. It is not compulsory. ठीक है, ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि एक कैटायन गया तो एक ही एनायन जाएगा. ठीक है, it depends upon the charge. Suppose +2 charge is removed, so in result -2 have to remove. If +1 is removed, then -1 will be removed. It depends only upon the charge because we have to maintain the electrical neutrality over here. ठीक है, so what will happen when the cations and anions are missing from lattice side? ठीक है, so the electrical neutrality will be maintained, but it result in the decrement of density. It result in the decrement of density. So the charge is missing, that's why it is able to conduct electricity also, but not more, only to a small extent. Only to a small extent. The next one is Frankel defect. Frankel defect क्या होता है बेटा? See, in this no particle will move outside. Over here the particles are leaving it that place and a vacancy is created. But in Frankel defect no particle is moving outside. ठीक है, अब particle just change its place. यहाँ से particle हटा and it will inserted into this interstitial site. So overall there will be no change in density. There will be no change in density. No change in composition of crystal. Only what will happen? It will leave a site vacant. ठीक है? The next defect is impurity defect. Impurity means a substance in which another substance get mixed over there. For example, we go to a market and we have to buy the moong dal. We have to buy the moong dal. Nowadays, what is going on? We are getting the packets of. We move to Big Bazaar, Easy Day or any other market, supermarket, and what we get, हमें packets मिलते हैं दाल के, ½ kg, 1 kg. So it is not possible to get any impurity in those pulses. But in earlier time, what are there? The shops were over there, and side by side pulses canes होते थे. So when we asked to buy the shopkeeper to give the particular dal, what will happen usually? 1 or 2 particle of another pulse get mixed with that proper pulse. ठीक है, तो क्या हुआ? कुछ other impurity वहां पे आके mix हो गई. Similarly, when this happen in crystal, that is known as impurity defect. Means when any foreign atom or ion, foreign means any extra atom or ion, are present in lattice site, that is known as impurity defect. For example, I have shown you over here See, mostly they are sodium and chloride. Means I have taken a crystal of sodium chloride. ठीक है. In NaCl, what happened if I inserted an impurity of strontium chloride? ठीक है, यहाँ देखो एक प्लेस पे क्या आ गया है, स्ट्रॉन्शियम. So when it is done in the molten state only, because NaCl is in solid state, हम इसमें ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. But when we convert this NaCl into molten state, what will happen? We can add a strontium chloride also. So ये strontium क्या करता है? It will replace the sodium ion. Chlorine is common, so strontium will replace the sodium ion. But see over here, strontium has +2 charge, while sodium has +1 charge. So for neutrality, electrical neutrality maintain, when one strontium ion is inserted over here, 2 sodium ion leave their place. One from here, one from here. तो एक strontium ने तो एक sodium का side ले लिया, but एक और sodium जो होता है, that will create a vacant site. This is known as impurity defect. The last point defect is non-stoichiometric defect. Means in this, the stoichiometry of the particular crystal or particular substances get disturbed. It is of two types, metal excess defect and the second one is metal deficiency defect. First of all, we will discuss about metal excess, means metal ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Metal get excess due to two reasons. Either anion get more or cation get inserted into interstitial site. What I said? Metal excess defect. Metal ज़्यादा है. See, if we take any ionic compound, suppose I take NaCl. In this metal is sodium, which is cation. तो अगर यहाँ से anion अपनी प्लेस छोड़ के चला जाए, anion की वैकेंसी हो जाए, तो ऑब्वियसली अपने आप सोडियम आयन क्या हो जाएगा, नंबर में इंक्रीज कर जाएगा. तो सोडियम आयन विल इंक्रीज बाय नंबर. So the metal excess defect will arise due, number one, that is due to anionic vacancies. ठीक है. What will happen over here? The negative charge ion. Anion means the negative charge ion. It get missed from any lattice site. ये अपनी lattice site से चला जाता. When it move from lattice site, it will leave a hole or vacancy. This vacancy is known as F center. This vacancy is known as F center. To maintain the electrical neutrality, this vacancy is occupied by an electron. This vacancy is occupied by an electron. For these F centers are responsible to give color to any crystal. ठीक है. For example, in NaCl sodium chloride, the yellow color came. So this is responsible to give the color to crystal. Second part of metal excess defect is due to interstitial cation. Interstitial cation means यहाँ पे क्या होगा, cation will be more, means any extra positive charge come over here. For example, we have taken the example of zinc oxide. ठीक है. When we heat the zinc oxide, what will happen? Zinc converted into Zn+2 and oxygen gas get released in atmosphere. Oxygen get released in atmosphere. So this zinc ion will get extra in number and it is get inserted into the lattice site. The last one is metal deficiency defect. Metal deficiency defect means metal की कमी, means here the anion will be moved. ठीक है. Metal deficiency defect is represented by those crystals in which the metal have variable valency. Variable valency means having more than one valency. Usually the any element, किसी भी element की usually एक ही single valency होती है. But some metals have more than one valency. For example, iron. Iron shows +2 +3 both. Copper shows +1 +2 both. So in which the metal show variable valency, metal deficiency defect arises. In this, cation is missing from the lattice side. Cation is missing from the lattice side. For example, we have taken over here, from here a positive and cation is missing. In between दोनों तरफ anion है and from the center the cation is missing. ठीक है. So how can the neutrality is maintain? Iron, for example, iron has +2 and it also have +3. तो अगर +3 वाले पार्ट एक यहाँ से रिमूव हो रहा है, so +2 will maintain this, and if +2 is getting removed, then +3 will be maintained. See, in iron oxide is the composition of Fe2O3 and Fe3O4. So फिर it is the, what will happen if Fe2 ions are missing, then it is balanced by +3. +2 missing है तो +3 पे एक ज्यादा हो गया, ये उसे बैलेंस कर. That's all for today. All the very best. Thank you.